and welcome to my channel. My name is Philip Francis, and today I'm going to show you how to cook traditional authentic Kare-Kare. This is a Filipino dish. I love this dish every time I travel to the Philippines. This is one of the dishes I try out always, and it's a fantastic dish. It's a bit of a time-taking process to cook it, but the end result is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's head on to the kitchen and I'm going to show you how it cooked. Before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button link below and also the notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family as well. So let's head on. I'm currently tenderizing the oxtails. First I sauteed them with onions and garlic and salt, and then I've added the hot water to it. And once the meat is tenderized, I will set aside the meat and also use the broth for the sauce. Tenderize the meat will take about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, traditional way. You can always do it in a pressure cooker if you like, but I like the traditional way because the flavor enhances more than the pressure cooker. Tenderize the meat till the meat is soft and then set aside. Brown 1/4 cup of peanuts. Brown the peanuts to this state. It took me about a minute or so on low fire. Let it cool and grind this into a powder mixture. Now we have the meat all tenderized and kept. It took about 3 hours. 3.5 hours. I use fish sauce as a salt agent for the Kare-Kare. Fish sauce to salt in just a little, about a spoonful. Cook this on slow fire and simmer it until it starts boiling. And once it starts boiling, then add the coconut milk to it. Once after simmering it reaches the boiling point, add 400 ml of coconut milk. Then add 4 tablespoons of curry powder and stir gently. Now put the peanut powder to this mixture. To thicken this sauce, add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Use unsalted peanut butter. It's an option. You can either use salted or unsalted. The choice is yours. I prefer unsalted. Now stir the peanut butter into the mixture properly. Once that's done, cover it and cook it in slow fire for 5 minutes. Same time, check for salt. If you need more salt, add salt now. Simmer and cook the sauce along with the meat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let the curry powder and the other ingredients diffuse with each other and give it that nice flavor and aroma as well. Obviously, you'll simmer this on low flame as well. After the sauce is prepared, start preparing the string beans. Remove the tips of both the ends of the string beans and set them aside, along with 4 pieces of eggplants or brinjals. Next, slice the eggplants diagonally, as you can see here, like that, and wash the eggplants and wash the string beans along as well. Roll the string beans like this to give it a nice design. Roll the string beans like this to give it a nice design and look when you add this to the kare-kare. Obviously it's a little time consuming. It's optional. You can either way, you can just cook the string beans and add it directly into the kare-kare if you like. Or as an option, you can cut it this size and add it to the kare-kare. You can either make it like this or like this, the choice is yours. For better presentation, I would prefer you do it like this, but if it's just for home cooking purpose, you can get the string beans to that size. Along with this, we need to add the bok choy, or otherwise known as pet chai as well. We have to add bok choy. However, unfortunately, bok choy or pet chai is not available, so I'm just leaving it out of the dish for the time being. Start boiling the string beans in water for a few minutes till it becomes soft. Don't overcook it, it should be crisp, not soft and soggy. Actually, you can cook the string beans along with the kare-kare, but I prefer to cook the string beans and the other vegetables separately apart from the sauce. Here I have the eggplant already boiled and kept ready. As you can see, we now strain the string beans and are ready to serve it along with the sauce. And here we have the final dish, which is all ready and to be served. I can't wait to try it out. It looks delicious, smells delicious, and yeah, awesome looking dish. Along with it, the condiment that goes with it is sauteed shrimp paste with chilies, which gives it a very nice touch. Delicious. Right, thank you for watching the video. Once again, that's the traditional authentic Ilocano style of cooking kare-kare, and try it out. Let me know what you think and let me know how it comes out. Also, love to hear your feedback and comments on this. And if you'd like us to make any other videos, let me know as well in the comment section down below. Please, once again, please do subscribe to the channel and help us grow the channel, and also share this with your friends and family, and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.